Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to compare two lenses. It's Zeiss Batis 85mm f1.8 and Tamron 70 to 180 f2.8. On the first side, they are not in the same group of the lenses, but at least I think that it can be worth to compare them, because you can say about them that both of them are portrait lenses.
Okay, we know that Tamron is bigger and heavier lens, but it's also a zoom lens, so give you some extra opportunity, but at least we can compare them side by side, because why not?
Let's start from comparing the reach of two lenses. Now we are on a Tamron at on 70mm. That's the frame we can get with this lens, on 70, and we are going straight up to 180. That's it, 180 and 70. And right now we are on Batis 85mm. That's the frame we are getting. It's a prime lens, so there is nothing to zoom in or zoom out. So we are in the same place, and the camera is mounted on a tripod. We also have to consider it that Zeiss Batis has built-in image stabilization. So this is how it works. Right now I'm in a handheld mode. It's 85mm. Image stabilization built-in a lens is on right now, and as you can see, I'm going with my hands left, right, up and down. In Tamron we don't have built-in stabilization. I'm trying to make same movements as smooth as possible, and that's how it looks without built-in stabilization. And we are in a 70mm, and right now we are going to 180. And I'm also trying to be as steady as possible.
Let's try to take a look closer on both lenses, on the performance. And as you can see, Tamron is a very sharp lens. It's quite on point. You can get a lot of details in the image quality, but at least you can find some sort of softness or shakiness. Maybe it's because of lack of stabilization. I had shutter speed about 1/400 seconds, so it's quite fast, but it still gets some softness in some images. On the second side, Batis delivers to you just outstanding performance. It's crazy sharp, just razor sharp. As you can see, it's always on point. It was easily finding an eye of the rabbit, so it's also a very good point. And also the shadows are brighter. I think that it's because of 1.8 aperture, but at least it has a better performance just on its level. So it's just a premium lens, and it delivers that quality for you. Another look on the bokeh and the sharpness, and just look that at f1.8 Batis is just outstanding. and when we take a Tamron on 70 and on 85mm, you can see that there is a little bit of softness, and it's not so crazy sharp like Batis, but in general at 180 it's already on point, extra premium looking image, so also very good thing for Tamron. And here you can get it side by side. At this level they are very similar at 180 and at 85mm in the difference. Okay, in chromatic aberration, Tamron extra control of chromatic aberration almost is not existing, and it's better than Batis at f1.8, but Batis is also very good at controlling chromatic aberration in here. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Just comment below if you like it or not, and which lens you prefer. Thank you. See ya.